Is your hair breaking? Are you losing hair? I have a solution for you. This is the one and only oil that's going to elevate your hair growth. It's the one strategy, if you follow, you'll enhance a lot of growth on your hair journey, guys, okay? Stick to the very end because I share tips and tricks on how to use this oil to skyrocket your hair growth, okay? Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maryamkapama. Thank you very much for tuning in, and if you're new here, hi, hello, welcome, and thank you very much for joining. Just be sure to subscribe and of course click the bell notification so you don't get to miss out anything when I post in the future, guys, okay? But if you're my OG, my regular returning supporter, my amazing subscriber, I so much appreciate you for coming back. Okay, I so much appreciate you. Just be sure to like this video and of course comment down below. Let me know if you've already joined the hair growth challenge because it is popping. I just uploaded a video where I talked to you about the February updates. Remember, we're on a 90 days hair growth challenge and that was a February update, guys, okay? Yeah, so today we are looking at this powerful hair growth Ayurvedic oil that's going to grow your hair like crazy. It's 1 month already since I prepared this, and when I prepared this, oh my god, it's too dusty. Let me just clean it up quickly before I keep shaming my sisters even longer. So I prepared an Ayurvedic hair growth deep conditioner. It's up on my channel. I'll leave it down in the description box and of course up in the cards just for you guys to see. So this is the Ayurvedic hair growth oil, guys. It's a mixture of enough ingredients that are going to grow your hair like crazy, guys. When I tell you this is one thing you need to catch up on, I mean it, because it has grown my hair tremendously. Remember, I had hair growth fail which caused strategy to my hair, so the only way to back up my hair to grow it back is going back to the basics, which is the Ayurvedic hair growth oil, and I'm here to show you. But before we get into this part, I want to show you how I previously prepared this Ayurvedic oil 1 month ago, guys, okay? Yeah, so this is a mixture of fenugreek and of course neem and potent, since it have been infusing for over a month now, okay? Yeah, so let's go back to making this quickly so we can catch up. We can catch up with where we are now. So hey guys, for the ingredients here we have sweet almond oil, which is the oil that I love to use, but you can go ahead and use any oil that you works best for your hair. For instance, you can use sweet almond oil like me, or if you're a coconut oil kind of person, you can go in with coconut oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, or any other oil of your choice, guys, okay? Just make sure you use the oil that works best for you, because the deal here is to use the best to make the best combination for your hair, guys, okay? So next we have this Ayurvedic powders, which we have neem powder and of course some fenugreek powder, guys. Neem powder is amazing, guys. It contains protein, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin C, keratin, which is one of the big building blocks of hair, so it's going to help your hair a lot. I'm going in with 4 teaspoons of this neem powder, and of course neem contains fatty acid and amino acid, guys. Similar amount of fenugreek powder. I'm going also into the mixing bowl, and of course I'm adding in the oil, sweet almond oil, about a a cup of this oil, just to make sure I make enough oil of this, guys. Okay, stir well just to make sure everything mix up, and when you're ready, just go ahead and put it on a double boiler on medium to low heat for at least 20 minutes to make sure it infuses thoroughly, guys. Fenugreek is amazing when it comes to stimulating hair growth, guys. Fenugreek fights dandruff. Fenugreek fights difficult scalp conditions, guys. Fenugreek conditions the scalp. It's going to reduce hair loss, and of course it's going to promote shining hair, guys. Okay, so same thing to neem, guys. Neem also deal with dandruff, reduces dandruff, and of course treats head lice. It minimizes gray hair. It soothes the frizz of the hair. It's going to temporarily seal your hair follicles, and of course it's going to condition your scalp and going to enhance and promote healthy hair growth, guys. So it's really an amazing combo when you mix the two of these, guys. Here I'm doing the double boiler thingy that I told you about, using low heat. At least put this mix into heat at least for 20 minutes, guys, or longer, but best you put it on low heat. It's amazing, guys, this combo. When everything has cooled down, make sure you add them to the messenger where you put everything, the powders in there and the oil, so they keep on infusing. And I'm going to leave mine for a whole month just to make sure that it infuses the most, guys. Okay, you can use 3 weeks. Depends on how urgent you want it, but you can even use it at this point. But if you want to get the full benefit, let it take time to get into the oil, guys. Okay, because this combo itself, it's amazing. And after you have put everything in the messenger, just close the jar and put this on a cupboard or any place dark for the whole month, guys. Okay, I don't know why I use this tiny little spoon. I could use a bigger spoon. That's why I'm struggling. Now 1 month later, and we are here. I'm a Tanzanian, and that's a Tanzanian flag right there on that bandana, and I'm using that bandana to strain my oil mix, guys. So this is present day, and here I'm straining everything. Be sure to use a cheesecloth or anything that you have. Just make sure you fold it more than 3 times, just to make sure nothing penetrates in, guys. Okay, take your time and strain it so you can obtain our oil, guys. Okay, yeah. Once you have everything, add the oil to your applicator bottle, and if you have extra oil, guys, you can use it to make a butter. If you want to see me make a butter for you guys here on my channel, I'll so much appreciate you. Just let me know down in the comment. Just say Ayurvedic hair growth butter down in the comment, and I will know, or just say neem times fenugreek butter, then I will pop up that video right quickly for you guys. Okay, you are my real superstar. If you're getting value, please go ahead and click the like button, and of course comment down below, guys. Yep, now that we all have our hair growth oil, it's application time, guys. Okay, so let me tell you how I do use this oil. As you already know from my previous video, we are on the 3rd month of the the month of hair growth challenge, and I'm on my 3rd protective style, and this is what I have. And of course, when you have cornrows or flat twist or mini braids or twist, it's the best time that you can do this experiment with your oil. So now, since we all have this, I'm going to show you how we're going to use it. First things first is to add in moisture, guys. When you have had enough, then you go in with the oil, okay? Just on your scalp. Don't go crazy, just now, since you finish applying the oil, go in with the pad of your fingers and gently massage your scalp. This process will enhance stimulation and blood flow to your scalp, hence hair growth, and of course, you're going to relax. Massage is so relaxing and so refreshing. Thank you for watching this video to the very end. If you're my OG and you have watched this far, you're the real one, and I so much appreciate you for the love and support. Just be sure to leave me a pink emoji or a blue emoji just to show me the love that you're supporting the game for the, for the better. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell notification so you get notified every time I do post a new video. Also, like this video, huge thumbs up to this video, and of course I'm going to leave you with a video on the screen where I'm going to show you how I used the same oil previously to make the potent deep conditioner. And of course, comment down below if you have joined my hair growth challenge. Other than that, guys, I'm going to see you on the playlist on the screen and also on the video on your screen. Watch the video on the screen where I show you how to make your own deep conditioning treatment that's going to strengthen your hair, and of course a whole playlist that is going to guide you and help you through your hair growth challenge, guys. Okay, use hashtag hairgrowth2023 down in the comments to let me know that you have joined the hair growth challenge, and follow me on all my social media accounts. They'll be down in the description box, and of course I'll see you guys in the video on the screen. Until next time, thank you very much for joining. Throw down the blue emojis and the pink emojis just to support your girl out. You know what I'm saying? So we get to grow our hair lengthy, thick and voluminous together. I love you guys, and I so much appreciate you for the growth that's happening in my channel. I love you guys. I can't say that enough. I'll see you guys in the video on the screen. I'm out for real.